Students, how are you, all of you? I hope by the grace of God, you all are keeping fine, sound, safe at home. My name is Surendra Shah. Everyone call me Sir Shah. Today, through this video, I'm going to take one topic from your math subject of grade 5. The topic is number. In this number, you have learned in grade 4 place value, comparing multiples, odd, even. This year, same thing you are going to learn. Addition to those what you have learned in grade 4, you are going to learn this year place value, ordering, comparing, rounding, multiples, factors, odd, even, prime, division, addition, decimal. All these things you are going to learn. Let us take the subtopic called place value. What is place value? The value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Now what is position? When we write any number, suppose 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5. What is the position of this 8? Where is this 8? What is the position of this 6? Where is 6? We all know counting of numbers. In Indian system we used to count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and so on. But we are not going to use Indian system, we are going to use international system. And how is international system counting goes on? It goes on same way, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. In place of this 100,000 in Indian system we are having lakh. But this lakh system we are not going to learn. We are going to learn this system that is called international system, English system, that is called ones, tens, hundred, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then comes million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. It goes on, billion, trillion, it goes on like. In international system, English system, we are having 3 digits altogether, 3, 3, 3. Whereas in Indian system, we learned before, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and lakh, 10 lakh. 3, 3, 3 are there. Now, let us come back to this number. What is the place value of this 8? Place value of this 8. Let us count this number as we are counting from here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So what is the place value of this 8? What is the position of this 8? This position of this 8 is 100. So we can write 800. Now, what is the position of this 4? HT, 100,000. That means the position of 4 is 400,000. When we take these 3 together, it goes like this: 469,875. Now, this number, let us write down in words. 469,000 875. Now 469,875. Now we have written this number in figure, and so on we can write down all the number, whatever number we used to write. Now this number we can write down in another way, that is called 400,000. 400,000. 69,000. So here we cannot say 69,000. 469,000 comes together. So here we'll take 400, then 69. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. In a simple and easy way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 9, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 8, 1, 2. 7, 1. 5, 1. So 400,000, 6, 10,000, 9,000, 870, and 5. Now when we write this number in this way, it comes under topic called expanded form. When we plus this number and arrange them in line and add up, it will come up to this number 469,875. Now let us come to another subtopic called ordering of a number. Ordering. Before going to the subtopic ordering, let us see what is ordering. Ordering means we have to order the number in smallest to greatest. Like, suppose, let us take your date of birth. Suppose 2005. Some of your friends might have born in 2006. Some of maybe 2004. Now, when we put them, let us take some more number 16956320. When we put them in smallest to greatest, that means in ascending order, first of all we have to see which number is the smallest number. In a simple way, let us count all the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here, last digit, that is 1000 digit. Let us see which one is the smallest. 6, 2, 2, 2, 1. That means this 1695 is the smallest. Underline it and write down first. It is smaller than. Then again you check 6, 2, 2, 2. There are 3 2s. 1, 2, 3. Now how to see which one is the smallest? So what we are going to do? We are going to see the next number, that is 100 place number. 100 place is 0. Here is also 0. Here is also 0. Now we'll go to next place number, that is tens. 0, 0, and here is also 0. Same. Let us go to ones place. Here is 5, here is 6, here is 4. 4 is smaller. That means our next number is this number, 2004. Now between these two numbers, we know these 3 digits are same, only the last digit is different, that is ones place digit are different. So we'll take this 5 as a smaller number. So 2005 is your next smaller number. Then last is 2006. Now between these 3 all is finished. Now which one is left? This greater number is left, that is 6320. So in this way we can write down ordering from smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. Now let us come back to again topic called comparing. Comparing means how we are going to compare numbers. Let us keep this number same way. Draw a number line. We all know number line how we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to our left side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 0 is in the middle. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this side it goes to the smallest to greatest. Same way from this side it goes same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smaller, greater, greater, greater. Now from this side, minus sign, smaller is greater. Then this greater is becoming smaller than. So this way it goes like this. -5 smaller than -4. -4 is smaller than -3, -2, -1, and then 0. Then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now comparing, let us take these 2 numbers. Between these 2 numbers, which number is smaller? As we have done arranging in smallest to greatest, we have seen the digits. First we have to count the digit. We have counted the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way here also, let's do in an easy way. Let us count the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last digit, that is 1000 digit. What is the digit number? Here is 1, here is 2. Which is one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So no need to see any other number. Through this 1000 place value digit number, when we see, we can compare them as which one is smaller or which one is greater. So here 1 is smaller, so we can show the sign that 1695 is smaller than 2004. Same way, suppose these 2 numbers we are taking 2004 and 1695. Here same way, let us go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last digit 2 and 1. Which one is greater? 2 is greater. So 2004 is greater than 1695. Now through this way we can do easily compare any numbers of digits, whether it is small or whether it is great. Now let us come back to another subtopic, that is called rounding. Rounding in grade 5, you are going to learn rounding nearest to 10, 100 and 1000. Let us take one number 46953. 34695. Rounding nearest to 10. Which is 10th place? Which number is 10th place? Ones, tens. Underline this. Rounding means we have to round nearest to 10. Like when we say 20 rupees 15 pies. So 15 pies is nearest to 20 rupees. So we simply say to nearest 20 rupees, we say 20 rupees. We hardly count smaller number. Same way, what we are going to do is, we are going to see the next number. The next number is here is 5. What we are going to see the next number, whether this number is less than 5 or 5. When the number is less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, this number, 10th place value number, remains same, will not going to change. Like 9, 0. But if this number is more than 5 or 5, this value will change. Example, not example, same way, 5 is here, that means this value will increase to 1 digit, that is 9 will become 10. When this 9 is becoming 10, that means 0 is here and 1 is added here. Two things is happening here. 9 is becoming 10, so 0, in place of 9, 0 will come, and in place of 6, it is 1 is added, it will become 3, 4, 7, 0, and this number will automatically become 0. Now, if this number is 4, let us take example, this number is 4. That means this tens value, next number is 4, that means it's less than 5. So this 9, 10th place value number will not change. Example 3, 4, 6, 9, and this number will change to 0. Let us come back to 100. Round 3, 4, 6, 9, 4 nearest to 100. So let us take this number 100. Which number place value is having 100? This 6. 1 tens 100. Now next number, which is the next number? Next number is 9. That means 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Means this number, this 100 number will change. That means 6 will become 7, and this number will automatically change to 0, 0. Similarly, let us take rounding number nearest to 1000. So which number is in place of 1000? 4. Next number is 6. Again here also 6 is more than 5. That means 4 will change to 5, and this number will automatically convert into 0, 0. So 34,000. So in this way, any number, whatever number you are getting, so when you are turning or changing or rounding nearest to this 10 or 100 or 1000, is going to change systematically in this process only. Now let us come back to another subtopic, that is called multiples. What is multiples? A number that can be divided exactly by another number is a multiple of that number. Example, suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. Example 3, 6, 9, 12. These numbers are multiples of 3. These numbers are multiples of 3. That means In 3 table, these numbers are there. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now, let us focus on these factors. What is factor? A whole number that divides exactly into another number. Example, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. That means here it is a multiple and here it is a factor. Means 6 is divided by which number? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So multiples and factors, it looks similar, but the difference is in multiples these numbers are multiples of this and these numbers are the factors of this. That means 6 is divided by these numbers and these numbers are multiplied by this number. With this, today's video I'll try to conclude here. Hope you keep yourself safe and sound at home and go through this video and like it. Bye.